and you twist this, make sure it's nice.
This family-run dry cleaning business is facing its biggest hurdle in 40 years. The cost of running the operation that uses vast amounts of energy, water, chemicals, plastic and staff across its 6 stores is soaring.
Good afternoon, Maurice Dry Cleaners. How can I help you?
Our energy bills have gone up over 30%. Our gas bills have also gone up close to 30%.
At the same time, their customers are facing their own rising costs and have cut back on using the service.
They used to bring their suits once a week. Now customers are coming in once every month, once every 2 months.
That kind of falling consumer demand is starting to show up in official figures. In the year to June, inflation was 6%. Down from 7% in the 12 months to March. But there was upward pressure on the cost of insurance and rents rose at the quickest pace since 2009. In the latest quarter, consumer prices rose slower than expected at 0.8%, driven by falls in the cost of domestic travel, electricity, clothing accessories and fuel. And even services inflation, like eating out, is starting to ease, despite showing strong annual growth.
We know that Australians are still under the pump as they confront this inflation, which is moderating in welcome ways, but which still will be higher than we'd like for longer than we'd like.
Economist Joe Masters agrees inflation is still too high.
When we look at the detail of some of the prices, particularly around rents, we're still seeing rental inflation accelerate, and that has quite a big impact on overall inflation.
University student and youth allowance recipient Sam Thomas knows all too well about rising rents.
I receive about $672 a fortnight from Centrelink, and I pay about $151 a week in rent, so that's about $302 a fortnight, so almost half.
With the higher cost of living, Sam can only afford 2 meals a day.
I don't want to drop what I'm doing. I want to succeed. I don't know why things are this difficult, and I don't think it's fair. But I really don't know if I'll get through.
Inflation is below the Reserve Bank's June quarter forecast, so the argument to keep interest rates on hold at 4.1% is mounting. But prices are still running faster than the central bank would like, so not all economists think there's a cause to pause just yet.
Getting inflation all the way from 6 to 2.5 still is quite a big job. And so we do expect that they'll hike rates again, most likely next week. And that's to take out insurance to make sure there is enough disinflationary pressure to bring inflation back to the policy band, not just lower than it is today.
Lena's business is pressing on in challenging conditions, hoping the rate hikes stop soon.
All you hear is cost of living's going up, interest rates are going up, so they really need to give us a break.
A break for an economy that's cooling.